Roger, 2276, runway 10, clear to land, wind 110, 13 knots.
Clear to land, 10, WestJet 2276.
WestJet 2276, backtrack runway 10, vacate via Echo. Parking Alpha 3.
We're stopping on the runway, WestJet 2276.
WestJet 2276, state attention.
We sent crime rescue, WestJet 2276.
Say again?
Sent crash fire rescue, WestJet 2276.
Roger. Delta 18904, Delta 18904, maintain 2,600 feet, contact with an approach 13.95, hold over VAS. WestJet 2276, state souls and fuel on board.
Hi, WestJet 401, WestJet 2276, 163 passengers, 11.7 thousand pounds of fuel.
163, 11.7 thousand pounds of fuel confirmed.
11,600 pounds of fuel, WestJet 2276.
11,600 pounds of fuel copy. Search and rescue is on the way to you.
WestJet 2276.
Confirm any dangerous goods on board WestJet 2276.
No dangerous goods, WestJet 2276.
WestJet 2276, confirm your engines are off.
Stand by, WestJet 2276.
WestJet 2276, the fire department is on the runway, requesting an update.
And they're shut down now for WestJet 2276.
WestJet 2276, can you confirm if your engines are shut down?
Engines are shut down, WestJet 2276.
Is it okay for fire department to proceed to the aircraft now?
Yes, they can proceed, WestJet 2276.
Roger. WestJet 2276, affirm information from fire department, the aircraft needs to be evacuated.
Okay, we copy, WestJet 2276. And Mayday, WestJet 2276 will be evacuated to another route.
WestJet 2276, Roger, fire department will be advised.
WestJet 2276.
WestJet 2276, fire department advised, please do not evacuate the aircraft on the starboard side.
Okay, not on the starboard side, Roger, WestJet 2276.